Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool 110-inch, this is a big boy, chenille sofa. This is a cloud sofa, boneless sofa. They do come really nicely packed and compact and compressed. But when you open these things up, man, they expand, and sometimes they expand in an absolute hurry, which is great. We're gonna go ahead and get both these things cut open. I mean, look at her go. She's already starting to go. Now this is gonna come in two sections. It's gonna come in this one here that's gonna have the middle piece and actually has an ottoman, which is really nice. This one here actually has two separate arm pieces. So let's get this cut open. Arm pieces and cushions. So, yeah. This thing is expanding up and plumping up nicely. Now, with any of these expanded sofas, including these that are this nice chenille fabric, you're gonna have to go ahead and let them sit and kind of plump out and cure for the next 48 to 72 hours. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up briefly, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like right out of the bag. It's gonna be a little wrinkly, but I wanna kind of show you what it's gonna look like, and then we'll come back in another couple of days. Now, right out the gate, you see that this 110-inch is a massive sofa, and it's already extremely comfortable. This fabric is really nice, but it is still wrinkled because it just came out of compression. It came packaged in those two small boxes. Now, a couple immediate things I noticed. One, a lot of nice pillows. If you're wanting to speed those along, you can easily fluff those up a little bit by hand and then let them sit. But I am loving the fact that the actual pads here, very nice, and they do provide you with these. This is a Velcro attachment that's going to attach this bottom part onto this, and they also provide you with this. Now these actually will allow you to, if you want, because it's a sectional, to attach this onto here, onto one piece, and attach it onto the other piece once you get this thing fully cured out and lined up, tied together, so that it stays in one place. In addition to that, they also do provide you with a little Velcro strip along the back. And that's going to be able to be used so that if you're going to put those back pillows up, it's going to help hold everything together. So that's a really nice design. And the fact that each one of these pillows does have a zipper off that you can take off and take this little fluff out of here. If you ever needed to wash it, you can do that, which is also another really nice feature. So really nice design, really liking it so far. Let's give it a full 72 hours and then we'll check it out. It's been a full 72 hours and I am impressed with the firmness yet the comfort level of this 110-inch sectional sofa. I mean, this thing has plumped up, it is extremely firm but yet comfortable, and this chenille fabric is extremely nice and soft on here, and so it is very forgiving. It's going to be very wrinkle resistant on there, and I like the fact that it has all the Velcro to help hold cushions in place when you get them where you want to go so they're not sliding around on there, which is really nice. Now this is a sectional sofa, and I want to kind of show another option that you have to actually do with this here, because you can actually rearrange this however you'd like. I currently had it set up in the 4-seater sectional. It holds up to 1,200 pounds, but you can easily take these pieces here, if they're not Velcroed together, and turn it into something as simple as a bed or a lounge area by simply moving it like this. Now you actually have it set up as more of a bed or lounge area, so that if you and others are wanting to lounge around, or you had kids that wanted to be in a bed scenario, you could easily do that. So this has a lot of versatility. It's extremely comfortable and it'll work well in pretty much anyone's home.